Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros. At sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin at ituturo ko sa inyo on how to apply lowest price guarantee claim on Lazada. So kung ano bang ibig sabihin niyan ay isa yang arrangement in which if a company reduces the price of a product or service in the future, it promises to pay back the difference to customers who have paid a higher price. So stay tuned ka lang para malaman ang buong method nito at start na natin. Ang next step ay open mo lang ang Lazada applications, dapat nakalagin ang iyong account. So click lang natin yan. And then next step, so bago tayo mag-proceed ay kailangan muna nating kumuha ng screenshot ng product at yung kanyang URL link. So ituturo ko muna sa inyo yan. So itap lang natin tong to receive. And then, kailangan mo lang select dito yung items na applicable yung lowest price guarantee claim. So, click mo lang yan. And then, scroll down. And then, tap ulit natin tong items. And then, dito, kailangan mo lang itong screenshot. So, kung paano ba kukunin yung kanyang URL link. So, dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So, click mo lang yan. And then, click mo lang dito yung share. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-tap tong copy link. So tap lang natin yan. Okay, so na-copy na natin. And then next, so back lang tayo. Back. And then proceed na. Okay, so i-tap ulit natin tong to receive. And then makikita mo dito yung ating orders mga kaibigan. And then dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-tap tong all ship. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa order details, makikita mo na dito yung lowest price guarantee. Okay, so find a lower price, apply a claim here. So reminder ko lang, hindi po lahat ng items na binibili dito ay mayroong ganitong claim mga kaibigan. So on selected items po siya, depende sa price ng item. Okay, so once may nakita kang ganito na lowest price guarantee active, so pwede kang mag-claim. Okay, so kailangan mo lang tap itong lowest price guarantee. So click mo lang yan. And then madadirect tayo dito sa kanyang lowest price guarantee. So Lazada's lowest price guarantee ensures that the prices of your purchases are the lowest or the same as relevant platforms in Philippines. If you find a lower price on a relevant platform, we will refund you 120% of the price difference. Okay, so para makita mo lahat yung details and informations nito kung ano yung benefits, yung ganitong klase ng claim, so pwede mong i-click tong terms and conditions or dito yung kanyang FAQ. Okay, so tap lang natin tong terms and condition. And then nandito na siya. So kailangan mo lang itong basahin mabuti kung ano yung sinasabi dito para maintindihan natin bakit tayo nag-claim ng items or yung price mga kaibigan. Okay, so dito naman sa pag-claim ay kailangan i-submit natin tong form within 72 hours. Okay, so the buyer is to submit lowest price guarantee claim form through the Lazada app within 72 hours from the date, time, or purchases of the eligible product. Okay, and then next step, so pwede ba mang basahin yung other details dito mga kaibigan, nandito lahat yung kailangan natin. Okay, so back na tayo, so back. And then next step, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply for claim, so click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo na kaagad dito yung ating price baseline, yung product items. And then please fill in the claim form by answering the following questions. Okay? So number 1, what is the price of the lower price product? So ang ilalagay natin na price dito kung ano yung babayaran natin. So ilagay lang natin. So napaka-lower talaga itong price niya. So 0.38. Ayan. And the next step, so which platform did you find the lower price product? So click mo lang yan and then select lang. And then select lang natin dito yung Lazada. And then dito naman, so please provide the product link of the lower price. So yung pinakita ko kanina kung paano i-copy yung link. So click mo lang yan and then paste natin yung link, yung product link. And then next, yung last naman is yung screenshot. Okay, yung ginawa na natin to kanina. i-click mo lang dito yung upload photo. So dito naman pwede tayong mag-upload at least 1 image, maximum is 5 images. So acceptable format includes JPG or PNG, yung format ng photo mga kaibigan. Okay, so click mo lang tong upload photo. Okay, so once na fill out mo na siya, so kailangan mo lang itong i-review. So i-double check mo lang kung tama lahat. And then dito naman sa baba, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung submit. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then pending approval. So dito sa kanyang approval naman, so once the lowest price guarantee claim has been submitted, Lazada will review the applications and inform you of the decisions within 7 business days. You will be notified of how much compensations you will receiving if the claim is successful. And if the claim is rejected, you will be notified of the rejection's reasons. Do not submit another claim for the same product again. And then, buyers are only entitled to submit 3 claims per week. So duplicated claims will be rejected. Rejected claims will also count towards this weekly quota. So 3 beses lang tayo pwedeng mag-claims per week mga kaibigan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple. So ipalo lang guys ang step-by-step method dito, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.